Welcome back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. I can't tell you guys how good it feels to be painting again. This here is a repour. I covered the canvas, actually scraped it off, and the remnants here, which is what was left from my attempted honeycomb pour. I will be doing that one again now that I know what I did wrong. So all I'm doing today, guys, on this small 8x8 is a simple, elegant pour in the classic colors. So I'm using, again, Bear House Paint Satin Enamel 7300 Deep Base. It's an ultra white. I just have that mixed in with Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium and Water to Thin. I'm using Artist Loft Metallic Silver, but not the premix, just the regular Artist Loft Metallic Silver. I'm using my favorite gold to date, which is Radiant Gold by Craft Smart. I have some Acrylic Flow Black for the base, and I'm also adding in some extra shimmer and glitter with the Deco Art Extreme Sheen. I just absolutely love this, as you guys know. So I'm just going to go ahead, guys, and make a puddle here. And I'm just going to follow this line. I actually like this kind of curvy zigzag or an S shape. I often start off a lot of my acrylic pourings that way. I love it. I just love the patterns that it gives me. And then I'm just going to sporadically put some of this silver in a few places because it is gorgeous as it is. It definitely can take over. And I want all of these gorgeous colors to flow. Speaking of that, I just did a poll. Thank you for everybody who participated in that. And I really thought out of those 4 questions that I asked you guys. For those who haven't checked it out, you can just go to the community post and see. And I had a feeling that the answer was going to be gold, white. I didn't add silver in there, but I'm just going to assume that that's all part of it. Because I do a lot of black, silver, gold, and white. And everybody who's part of the artistic family, or some of you who are not, but follow me. And if you are, let me just touch on that for a second. If you watch my videos often, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button there, because there's a reason why you're coming back, if I'm going to be honest. And like I said, it supports the channel. It keeps me inspired as many people are watching, keeps me inspired. And it's free. So yeah, if you're not part of the artistic family officially, I would appreciate if you could go ahead and do that. Okay, guys, let me just move this around. And I think I want to add a bit more white in here. Okay, do that. Just gonna blend some of this in together here. Get that itch out of my system. Over to that corner. Oh yeah, I just love that pattern that brings. I love it. Yeah, this is looking great. This is really looking great. Breaking up some of the gold. do want to leave that corner. I'm going to drop this down. Down off of this corner. Okay, I'm really happy with that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys in for a close-up. All right, guys, I really love the pattern in this. I'm glad I went in, which is why I love acrylic pour painting so much. I love just going in freely, freestyling, and just, you know, with my taste going in and trying to create the best composition and piece. And again, as you guys can see, you don't need much of that shimmer from the Decaware Americana Extreme Sheen. It is super vibrant, which I love and I can't get enough of. But for those of you who are just starting out with metallics, just know you a little bit goes a long way. There again, you've got that cluster, that shimmer here. Yeah, it's everywhere throughout the painting. I'm really super happy, guys, that I left that one corner, the negative space. For me, it just adds to the composition and the interest. I absolutely love it. I really love that line here. And I love the color blend. I mean, these colors, you can't go wrong. They're classics. They always look good together and so vibrant. So I'm very happy with this piece, guys. So once again, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all your support. Continue to do so by liking the video, which really helps, and I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to moving and growing along with you guys and hitting our next milestone of 5,000 subbies. I will be doing a giveaway at that time. So let's get there, guys. And I will see you guys in the next pour.